Hey guys, James Thompson from Jammin Classics. I promised you an update on the little Cobra that we brought in several weeks ago, and we've got quite a bit accomplished on it now, and I wanted to kind of go over it a little bit with you, and be sure and follow along, and be sure and subscribe to our videos and our channel. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and kind of go over the car with you. We're doing a freshen up on this car, so we're not actually building it from the ground up. We're doing more of a light restoration on the car. It was built back in '01 and needed a lot of attention, been stored, been driven a lot. So we've gone through and pulled all the suspension apart, put all new shocks, brakes, just kind of going through the whole entire chassis of the car. We pulled the engine. We're doing a few corrections on the engine of some of the equipment that it had on it that wasn't quite the right equipment for the car, and so we've done a great job, I think, on that. We'll show you a picture of it here in a little bit, but the car itself is turning out really nice. I think this guy's going to really enjoy getting to drive this car. It should be just like new when we get done. But it's coming along great. As you can see, we've got both sides of the suspension getting wrapped up. We'll be ready to start putting the engine, transmission, and all the driveline back in it. The rear end is still in the car. All we did was just kind of pull everything apart, clean it up, reseal it, freshened up the brakes, put all new calipers and everything on it, and we've dropped the gas tank out of it. We're going to put a brand new tank back in it, and we had a lot of cleanup to do around that area because of the way it was originally installed was not really our way. So after we get done with that and we get the drivetrain in it, then we're going to start on the interior. It's in pretty good shape, just a little weathered, so we're going to really clean it and scrub it, get all the black vinyl dash and everything back looking new again. We brought all new instruments for it, so it'll get all the gauges and everything in it completely replaced. Put a new stereo, speakers. It's going to have carpet made for it, so we'll do that, and then we'll get the exhaust and everything back on it. We've already got new tires for it. We're going to stay with the Hellbrand style wheels that it came with when it showed up. But we are putting new meats on it to give it some good traction, because it should perform real well when we get done with it. But that's kind of a quick update on this car today. I wanted to make sure that I followed up. We'll have some more follow-ups on this car when we get a little more of it together and we get the interior and stuff going on it. And then we'll have some test drive video on the car too later. So you guys be sure and tune in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like all the videos that you like. We really appreciate it, and we're glad you guys are tuning in. I appreciate it.